Good afternoon, Charmeya.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Charmia Sakdalan Dalisay. I'm 34 years old. I live in Parang Bagak, Bataan.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to support my family and give them a better future
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
because I heard that Malaysia is a beautiful country.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
Um, I'm honest, ma'am. I'm patient and a hardworking person.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I finished secondary level, ma'am. I graduated high school.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I'll work as a sales clerk at SM Mega Mall.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
I'm taking care of my two kids.
Okay, how about elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what are your special skills?
Ma'am, I can cook, I can massage, I clean houses. I can clean the houses.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Pardon, ma'am?
Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Only Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like chicken adobo. Um,
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
I think cooking.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My sister will take care of my kids, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
I understand, ma'am, it's 1,200 Malaysian ringgit.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works in going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender your handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing of using your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will just allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone. You are not allowed to bring smartphone. For the top up of your phone will be bear by yourself. Are you agree for the terms and condition?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Are you agree to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
It's 2 years, ma'am.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics, your attitude?
I'm patient, ma'am.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I assure you, ma'am, that I will work hard in Malaysia because I really want to support my family.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy, or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
Yes, ma'am.
What food?
Seafoods, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Charmia. We have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I finish my work, ma'am. I will finish my contract and I'll just send money to them.
Okay, Charmia.
Never go back.
Okay, Charmia. What do you want to tell the employer watching your video right now?
Um, Sir, ma'am, please choose me because I really need this job. I really want to support my family.
Okay, thank you so much, Charmia. We will update
Thank you.
your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.